Welcome gardening enthusiasts to our gardening guide on how to plant Calendula seedlings in containers. Calendula, also known as pot marigold, is a beautiful and versatile flower that adds a vibrant splash of color to your garden or balcony. Let's get started with some essential tips on planting and caring for your Calendula seedlings in containers to ensure healthy growth and vibrant blooms. Ensure you have healthy Calendula seedlings ready for transplantation. Water the seedlings before removal to help ease the transition process. Using a hand shovel, gently loosen the seedlings from their nursery container, being cautious not to damage the delicate roots. Careful handling is key to a successful transplant. Once the seedlings are loosened, carefully lift them out, avoiding any tugging or pulling that could harm the roots. First, gather your supplies, healthy Calendula seedlings, a container with drainage holes, and filled with high-quality potting soil to provide the necessary nutrients for your newly transplanted seedlings. Make sure the potting soil is well-draining and organic for optimal growth. Composted chicken manure or organic compost to enrich the soil and provide essential nutrients for your plants. This will help promote healthy growth and vibrant blooms, and don't forget to have mulch on hand to retain moisture in the soil, suppress weeds, and maintain a healthy environment for your Calendula plants. Mulching is key to conserving water and supporting plant growth. Properly preparing your Calendula seedlings is key to their successful growth. Begin by gently separating the seedlings from one another, ensuring that you can plant 2 or 3 seedlings together. This initial grouping will contribute to their overall success. Once the seedlings have taken root and established themselves, it is advisable to thin them out, leaving only 1 or 2 seedlings per planting area. This thinning process allows the remaining plants to have more room to grow and reach their maximum potential. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Calendula seedlings will flourish and thrive in their environment. Afterward, using a hand shovel or simply your hand, create a small indentation in the potting mix, ensuring it's deep enough to accommodate the root ball of your Calendula seedlings. Plant 2 or 3 seedlings together within the same hole. This clustering strategy fosters mutual support and fosters robust growth during the initial phases. Additionally, consider incorporating some composted chicken manure or organic compost to enrich the soil and supply vital nutrients to your plants. This will effectively encourage vigorous growth and vibrant blossoms. Once planted, refill the soil around the seedlings and gently press it down to secure them in place. When planting Calendula seedlings in containers, it's recommended to space them approximately 6 to 12 inches, 15 to 30 centimeters apart. This spacing allows the seedlings ample room to spread its roots and grow without overcrowding, ensuring optimal access to sunlight, air circulation, and nutrients. Adequate spacing also helps prevent competition for resources among the seedlings, promoting healthier growth and prolific flowering. By adhering to this spacing guideline, you can create a balanced and visually appealing container garden filled with vibrant Calendula blooms. After planting all your Calendula seedlings, it's beneficial to enrich the soil with composted chicken manure or organic compost, providing essential nutrients for their growth. This natural, organic fertilizer is abundant in nutrients, ensuring your newly transplanted plants have everything they need to flourish. By incorporating compost into the soil, you foster healthy root development, sturdy growth, and vivid blossoms. Additionally, adding a layer of mulch on top further aids in moisture retention and weed suppression, creating an optimal growing environment. This organic approach guarantees that your Calendula plants receive vital nutrients in a gentle and sustainable manner, setting them up for success in their new container environment. Water the newly planted Calendula seedlings thoroughly to settle the soil and provide essential moisture for growth. Ensure the soil is evenly moist but not waterlogged. Choose a sunny location for your container with at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily to promote healthy foliage and abundant blooms. By following these planting and care tips, you can enjoy a flourishing display of Calendula flowers in your container garden. Happy gardening!